What is up, YouTube? Marxist Med Grower here with you. Doing an unboxing today. So just got this in the mail. Mars Hydro sent me something good. Let's check it out. So we all know I've been growing under the SP250. Have the 3x3 set up under the TS1000. The one I really wanted to try is the SP3000. So here's the user manual for that. Got some hanging straps in the box for us. Another cool thing of slaps I see. So I do know that there's the tether for the daisy chaining them. I do know that these the SP3000 has a dimmer switch, which I like. It also uses the Samsung LEDs. So no more, well, I think it was Epistar were the other ones, but the Samsung are just basically a step up. I follow Just in Time to Grow, and he has already done his unboxing and testing of these. Check out these cool slaps. These are pretty cool. And, you know, I know Justin is a big fan of this, and so we'll see if I am as well. It has everything that you want. So the, let's move it over here. The Meanwell driver, just like on the SP250, is removable, so I can place this outside of the tent. They give you enough cord here to be able to hook this up outside of the tent. The SP3000 also comes with something really cool, which is a dimmer switch, and it's daisy chainable. You can hook up to 2 lights up to it, which is nice. So let's take a look at her, and there she is, the SP3000. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Down here we've got the Mars Hydro logo. Still got that really cool heavy-duty heat sink. And boy, oh boy, I really do love this, the look of these SP units. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to set these up. I'll set this one up next grow. So for this grow, I'm just going to finish out what I've got with the SP250 and the TS1000. Next grow, I'm going to use the SP3000 in the 4x2 and flower under that. And the SP250, I'm going to move over into my mother keeper. So for any of my clones and anything that I'm vegging, that's what I'll veg under, is the SP250. I may end up giving away the SP250. Heck, I may even end up giving away my Viper Spectra 600 watts, since that is no longer necessary. I only have 3 tents and I now have 4 lights. So yeah, I'm a big fan. I really do like the fact that these SP units, actually all of the newer Mars Hydro models all use a Meanwell driver. These are just a much better driver, and they last a lot longer than the old Chinese drivers did. So definitely a big fan. So yeah, that's our unboxing for the day. Hope you guys are hanging in there, taking care of each other. Until next time, peace.